Okay, Adam, would you mind introducing it? What is it?
It is a washlet.
Washer, a
Washlet.
bidet.
Like a bidet, but it warms the water and also warms the seat.
Okay,
Toilet seat.
okay,
This one has an infrared sensor, so it doesn't waste electricity when you're not using it.
okay. So, can you show me the one that is already installed? Yeah, the function.
Okay, so this adjusts the water temperature, and this adjusts the seat temperature. Your mom has it set on high, both.
Oh.
And this is the auto button. So when you're finished, you just hit this button and it will wash you off with warm water.
Auto button. This is the function I like the most because it has different functions, you know, different kind of how to say that, water jet, you know, and then what else?
And it has, I guess this is for women.
Yep.
And this is to wash your bum or your butt. And this is the stop button. I think this adjusts the how far the sprayer comes out. I'm not quite sure about this one.
Strong, weak.
Okay.
All right. It's about like
It adjusts the flow of water.
the flow of the water, yeah. And this is the power saving function. And this is self-cleanness.
Self-cleaning. Oh.
And this is for the
Seat
for warming the,
temperature.
yeah, warming up the seat. Automatic. And you can adjust the position of the
Spray.
spray, yeah. So the brand is Caesar. Okay.
Caesar Easlet TAF 191.
So it also has a sensor that can sensor your body. If you leave the bidet, it will automatically stop. You know. So let me try this.
Yeah, it won't work if you're not sitting down.
Yeah, it's very nice. Okay.
A soft closed seat.
Yeah. So there is like a regulator, you know.
A spring of some kind.
So cool. 我还没讲啥。
我要跟你讲安怎装啊。
好，你跟我讲。
这有一个头啦吼。啊，这条这伊拢夹来，这头嘛伊夹来吼。啊，这个伊嘛夹来的，所以你爱甲水关起来，关起来啊，再这个倒落。啊，这个倒落，伊迄有两个，一个空间倒出来。
哦。
就安尼尔啦，这个插头。
Can you come here?
这插头吼爱有三个空的
向的
吼。
，OK
你家己买一个这个豆，你若无的时阵买一个这个豆。
All right. Did you see the pipe?
Yeah.
Do you know how to install that thing?
Yeah.
You need like a flat,
Wrench.
yeah. I mean screw instead of Philip.
Yeah, flathead screwdriver.
Yeah.
We've got that.
Okay.
To
你
turn
干那
off
安尼
the
足
water.
简单的，无滴的啦，我则含你做伙过啊，甲你斗的。
Okay. So this go there. All
啊，
right.
你有电，你的插头若
So
伫
both
遮，
pipe go the same faucet.
Yes.
Okay, like that. Okay. Maybe I can show it. So
And our
show
plug-in is near the toilet, so we don't have to have an extension cord.
Yeah, yeah.
伊吼，
OK，
伊
我们不需要，因为我们有一个在旁边有一个充电的，有一个插头，没有像你那么远。
哦，有那么远哦，昨天买一条的，啊，你爱买一个迄三插，迄个转来转到插头迄个，一个尔啦，迄个是张小姐互我的。
OK。